So former band member Wajapreza is accusing Japreza of sexually abusing her. Let me just read Nyakeri Panaphansi. Gonyet has tearfully opened up about how she was sexually abused by Japreza many times without protection. I did not want this information to go public. I just got angry in a meeting last week and spilled the beans in front of other people. We were only 5 in the meeting and tempers fled until I reminded him about his sex escapades in anger. It is embarrassing to share a story of sexual abuse with the world, and I thought the issue would end in the meeting. I was surprised to see a story about it in the newspaper, and I feel so bad, but I don't have anything to hide anymore, she told the Herald. She admitted having been sexually abused without protection by Japreza on numerous occasions for the past 3 years to safeguard her job, but insisted she had no plans to make the sensitive issue public. Many women do not disclose issues related to sexual abuse because they are afraid of stigmatization. I was one of them. What will people say when they know Japreza had sexually abused me without protection? I had to live with it. I had to please my paymaster. Now they've told the world about it, and the most painful thing is that Japreza is saying I'm lying. Why would I lie that I slept with him? Why would I lie to embarrass myself? Gonyet said the sexual abuse was the main reason why she left Japreza's third generation band. I asked myself why I was hanging on when I was being abused in many ways. I was a sex slave and I was also getting paid for my services in the band. I just had to keep pleasing my master with my body, my voice, and my energy for nothing. I just said enough is enough and I quit the band. Honestly, the issue of sexual abuse was personal. Now they've told the world about it and everyone will see me as a dirty person. The energetic dancer said during tours, other band members would share hotel rooms, and Japreza, as the boss, was always booked alone, and he abused that scenario to have quality time with his subordinate because before and after shows. I always shared the room with Stemila Fatima Katiji, the other female vocalist, and I would be called to the boss room and leave her alone. We also met at various places in Harare during the week when we were off duty. That was the life I led at third generation. It was risky because I knew many other girls that Japreza was involved with. He has many girlfriends among his fans and we knew most of them. When such a person continuously demands unprotected sex, it becomes dangerous. He says he does not fear contracting any STIs because he is circumcised. So nyaya yaane time yaitika and ikangotsika-tsikwa imva yangopera zvakangodaro. I don't know why she is coming out now. Justice yacho inozobuda here pakadai so cause evidence. I'm not so sure kuti achinayo here evidence kana kuti angosara nekungoti zvakazodai angosara nenyaya yakaitika. She can narrate but manje court kana kusina evidence zvinonetsa. Vamwe ndo vari kutaura kuti vamwe vakapiwa maakwa ndosaka akuita jealous here kuti vanhu vaakasiya kubhendi vaivai vakazopedzisira vabudirira band riri kutongoendera mberi zvakadaro. Vamwe ndozvavari kutaura but vakadzi vakawanda they don't come out because of mashoko anozotaurwa nevanhu. Look at my Jeremiah, zviri kutaurwa nevanhu nyaya yamai Jeremiah zvakanangofanana izvozvo zviri kungotaura, and she made a mistake zvake musikana because there's no way that you can sleep with the boss wokontinya pabasa. Panonge pakutonetsa ipapo because now you have to say yes to everything kudi and jealousy. Mukanzwa nyaya yake ari kutaura kuti pane vasikana vamwe vaanga kutoziva kuti avanorarawo naJapreza. Jealousy inogona kunge rakaitika musikana waifunga kuti pamwe ndiye ega here kana kuti achazopromotwa second wife. I don't know what she was thinking but I think kuti she did not expect the outcome. Ndobva apedzisira akungozongotaura senge zvaari kutaura kuti she lashed out in one of the meetings. Aisada kuti zvibude but akangopedzisira atongozviburitsa. The band is progressing but mukomana are very powerful kauyu. Vanhu vakudhila nawo nyaya inogona kutongopera semaperera yakangoitika kudhara. Yes, she wants to speak out now probably to warn others kuti zvakadai but kuti ichazoenda kumacourts yozodii I don't think so because kana akatotadza kuipesiwa nguva yacho iyoyo panonetsa now kuti pazokwanisika kutaura chero zvazvo paine vamwe vanhu vari kuti taiziva kuti ndozvaitika but will it stand in court? I mean, I don't know mutemo zvekutodaro so probably inogona kunge nyaya ichigona kuzonetsa. Ivo murefu hatisi kuvarambira zvavo kuti vanogona kuita izvozvo because nyaya dzavo dzakawanda dzatinongotaura panapa dzavakaita saka panogona sure pakaitika abuse iyoyo inogona kunge iripo because vanhu vakawanda they sleep with their bosses kuitirawo mhuri dzavo kuitirawo mari kuitira different reasons dzavanenge vachiitira. It's a mistake inongoiri kana yaitika zvayo but kuzoiti manje iuye futhi kukhoti kweseka inenge yakunetsa because vanogona kungonzi this was consensual because musikana akaenda several times ndo zvaari kutaura kuti there were times that they would meet isiri paband isiri nguva yeband munhu mukuru here wedu wekuzoti our sex slaved iwo waienda off duty tinomboaccepta kuti alright pavaienda paipai kwavanenge vachiridza kana kuti vaenda kwamutare vaenda kubulawayo vaita kupi japuresa anenge achida munhu pamwe ikoko kuko but kuzoti off duty vosangana muharare mumaplaces aari kutaura musikana uyu ipapo manje toti she was sex left achitoenda voluntarily it's like kuti anga akutoenjoya handizivi kuti abuse ndozva I don't know. Okay, let's not get into that. She must go to the police and try kubatsirwa ikoko and probably she will get justice nenyaya yake iyoyo because takainzwa kudhara apa akubuda futi and when they are actually questioning kuti ko sisi mama enda kupi nguva yese iyi kuti vaida here vakaona kuti pamwe hakusisina machances of going back to the band vakairuza vakatozviruza ndofunga vanodemba life yakaoma vedwe ukaona kwava waitombo uripo apa hakusisina atova mawana. I don't know what you guys think nenyaya yasisi ava kuda kudzosa nyaya yavo ya1910 mudariro kuti japuresa akazodai akazodi vanhu vakawanda vari kuti sisi ava she has very low chances yekusucceed panyaya iyo yatanga